Okay, let's first have what Parmeet ma'am has in store for us. Surprise of Saturday's competition. Classes 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
So we'll start with class 6. Class 6D, we have Jaskirat Singh bagging the first prize. Put your hands together for Jaskirat Singh. 6D. From 6D.
So 6D wins the first prize amongst class 6.
Next we have second prize which goes to 6C. And the winner is Gurraj Singh. Third prize, any guesses? Goes to 6A. And the winner is Mevleen Kaur. Mevleen. The fourth. Mevleen. Then we have the fourth winner from 6th B. And the winner is Ayushman Porwal. Louder.
So, section wise, in class 6, 6D was the winner. Second prize, C section, followed by A and B. So 6D in class 6 was the winner.
Now we have the winners from class 7th. Third prize goes to 7C and the winner is Bir Samarth Arya. The fourth prize goes to 7D and the winner is Japman Singh. 7D is the most excited one, making a lot of noise. Photograph time. Excited? The first prize goes to class 8B and the winner is Bhavya Gupta. Alright, next we have again the winner from class 8B and the winner is Avneet Kaur. Two winners from the same class. 8B, make some noise for your friends. Very well done. Then we have the winner from class 8C and the winner is Kenjal Bhalla. Well done, Kenjal. Any guesses? Next winner from class 8D and the winner is Snithik Chauhan. Well done, Snithik. He's here. Maths and Science MCQs test. I'm sorry for that. And we have the winners from class 9th. The first prize goes to class 9C and the winner is Harnoor Singh. Registration number is 3082. The next winner is from class 9th D and the winner is Manraj Bir Singh. Well done, Manraj. Alright, next winner is from class 9th D and the winner is Naman Noor Singh. Class 9th D. Well done. And the fourth winner we have from 9C. Any guesses? Tanveer Singh. Oh, he's here already. 9th class, put your hands together for all the winners. First prize goes to class 10th A and the winner is Sonakshi. Class 10th, make some noise. Alright. The second winner we have from class 10th A again and the winner is Kunal Kumar. Well done, Kunal. The third prize goes to class 10th D and the winner is Harsh Verma. Well done, Harsh. You have a lot of fan following here. Congratulations to all the winners out here. Please put your hands together once again for all the winners.